In version 3.6, we've introduced an integrated room builder mode. To get to it, it's terribly easy. All you do is double-click on a blueprint view, and then you'll see that there's now a new option here, Standard Blueprint Mode or Room Builder Mode. We click that and we're in Room Builder mode. Similar to the old mode, it has a grid that you can display or not, but one of the great new things that we have is the ability to select a floor plan image. So what we'll do is we'll select a floor plan, and then we need to do is select the actual scale of the floor plan. Now there are a couple of ways of doing it. If it actually says what it is, then you simply highlight an area that you know what the size is. In this case, we can see that it's 10 feet 6 inches by 10 feet, so we just measure one dimension here, and we will measure that and say that is 10 feet 6 inches. We say finish, and voila, there is our blueprint view. In this case, we don't really need the grid since we're going to follow the blueprint. So what we'll do is we will select a rectangular room, since that's what we're starting with, and we simply draw that on top of here. And then we have this closet area, so let's just draw that here, and let's put in some walls here. And let's extend this wall out. Okay, so that's our little section. Now we need to put in our doors. So we'll drag in a door here. We will simply flip it so that it matches the orientation of this door. Let's line that up. We have another door that we will add here. And let's flip that orientation, line that up a little better. We have another one on this side, so we'll drag that one in. And that one opens the other way. It's not drawn quite the same way, but you can see the arc of it there. And then there's a really tiny one over here, so we will drag it in there, and then we will shrink it down so that it is of an appropriate size, and that one is also flipping the other way. And you can see that from the curve. And then it looks like there's a window here. And so we'll drop in that window. We'll size it appropriately, and we are done. If I want to drag in a floor or ceiling, I simply drag this in, and we dragged in a ceiling, so we'll add a ceiling tile. We will then tile it appropriately, and then it gives me information, but we'll ignore that. And then we can drag in a floor, and let's put in some carpet and a nice brown, and tile that, and so on. And then we can just go back to standard blueprint view, and we're good to go.